organization which stands true to the hopes of people, which adapts itself with the changing time, which grows along with its people and maintains its own entity. That organization is called Prince.
प्रिंस नाम इसके लिए रखा गया है कि प्रिंस हमेशा यंग रहता है, डिसीजन फास्ट ले सकता है, डिसीजन फास्ट लेने के बाद में उसका ग्रोइंग फैक्टर भी फास्ट रहता है.
In the 80s, 5 Chheda brothers decided to start new businesses in different fields. Jayant Chheda, one of the 5 brothers, had a different vision. He decided to come up with an innovative product which is new and at the same time couldn't be competed in the market. After a year-long research and thinking with his engineers, he decided to venture into agri-fittings industry. Using PVC pipes instead of iron was a path-breaking innovation as it was hygienic, easy to use and environment-friendly. With this thought in mind, he decided to do business in it and started Prince Agri Fittings, which was a small factory in Andheri, Mumbai in 1980.
I have started PVC pipe fitting, which is called agri fitting. उससे फ़ायदा हुआ कि मैंने इंडिपेंडेंट काम करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. तो I want to enjoy myself also to only not doing business. उसके लिए मैंने ये काम चालू किया और उससे मुझे खुशी बहुत मिली.
Owing to the superb quality and perfection, there was a great demand for Prince pipes and fittings in the market. In the year 1987, the business took its second big leap with the launch of a new factory of 18 machines in Andheri. It gave an additional boost to Prince to meet rising demand. But as the company grew, it came across a major problem of labor union, which created a major hurdle in Prince growth. At this juncture, with a new vision, Parag Chheda joined the business.
So yes, in the year of 1994, February is the time when I joined, when I came from US. The time when I joined, काफ़ी वहाँ पे pressure का एक stress का माहौल था, because at that time we were having labor union. Within 2 days, I think I spoke to my father कि ये situation में I think हमारे पास जो finished goods stock है, तो उसको हम कैसे liquidate करेंगे. My father actually appreciated the idea that we should liquidate because there are 2 benefits. एक जो होता है, हम market sentiments जो mellow down हो जाते हैं, उसको हम revive कर रहे हैं, as well as जो हमारा stock है, जो dead stock पड़ा है, हम उसको actually convert कर रहे हैं into our sales.
With this renewed strength and ambition, the company grew further. On 1st June 1994, a new factory at Silvassa was started after buying a 2.5 acres plot.
ऐसा situation था when the environment was that we were not having any electricity, there were no telephone lines, we did not have any roof, but एक determination था हमारे पास कि we need to get started. इसी तरह, we started our Athal manufacturing.
In short span of 5 years, the Prince factory grew from 2.5 to 10 acres of land. In 1997, Vipul Chheda joined the company, which further strengthened the Prince family.
It is in a modern age of plastics. The demand of PVC is increasing day by day. Besides agriculture and plumbing, PVC is used in various sectors like automobile, pharma, chemical and footwear industry. Over a period of years, metal plastic has been replaced by plastic piping system because of hygiene, easy to install and environment friendly.
हमारे customers लोगों ने कहा कि it is about time that we start manufacturing pipes. तो we started extruding PVC pipe. जैसे demand बढ़ता गया, we had to actually expand further. दादरा करके एक village है, वहाँ पे we started manufacturing, and on the very first time we started having 10 extruders. That was also one of a very big achievements for Prince Pipes.
2005 में जब वी आर रीच टू 100 करोड़, उस टाइम पे मैंने स्टाफ को पार्टी में बोला था कि माय बोथ द सन विल रीच टू 1000 करोड़ कंपनी.
After Silvassa and Dawari's success, Asia's best factory was started on the God's land, Haridwar.
We realized that there is no good national player in the north region.
A factory which was started with 100 machines is now considered to be the biggest high-tech factory in Asia.
I can show you it is one of the best manufacturing practices are being observed at our Haridwar plant. Here I am assuring you that even if tomorrow a European company comes to and sees our Haridwar plant, they shall be impressed.
In 2008, the company got its fourth pillar with the joining of Hina Chheda, who took the responsibility of Vice President Finance.
The purpose of each and every business is to earn money. One more major purpose is to give back to society, because society has helped us to reach here.
With this success story of Prince, ICICI Bank, CNBC TV 18 and CRISIL nominated Prince for SME Emerging India Awards 2010. In 2011, Prince received the award of Outstanding Quality Contribution in Pipe Sector by Bloomberg EPC World. Today, with 5 state-of-the-art and modern technology manufacturing plants across India, Prince makes more than 4,500 products. The company can take the guarantee of delivering these products to any part of the country within 48 hours.
Growth is part of Prince Pipes. And ये growth हमें faster करना था. So we decided, because again we start purchasing land, we make a building, समय बहुत ले लेता था.
In the year 2012, Prince took over the largest player in the South market, Trubor PVC Pipes and Fittings. Trubor has its plants in Kolhapur and Chennai, which made it easier for Prince to distribute its products to western and southern parts of India. In 2010, CNBC interview reflected the vision and mission of the company. And within 3 years from then, had achieved the target of 1,000 crore.
Last financial year we closed at 370 crores, and this year we are looking at closing to say about 500 crores. Next 3 years, I would say that within next 3 years we should be looking at about 1,000 crores.
After 3 years, Prince achieved his goal.
The vision of our company is to have a sustainable growth.
We want to become the global player tomorrow. So नाम की स्टाइल भी इंटरनेशनल नेम के हिसाब से चाहिए, और अकॉर्डिंगली हमारा कल्चर वही रहेगा, हमारे एथिक्स वही रहेंगे.
So our new brand identity has become more young, given a fresh look to it, is with full of energy and now visually more appealing. Our logo has also become more meaningful to our business because we have incorporated the word piping system.
प्रिंस फैमिली का मतलब ये नहीं कि मेरे 2 सन, एक डॉटर और मेरी 2 डॉटर इन लो. इट इज़ नॉट माई प्रिंस फैमिली. पर गांधी जी का टीवी में स्लोगन देखा था कि कितने आदमी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप लेते हो, तो उसी टाइप पे मैंने ओथ लिया था कि आई शुड हैव 5,000 फैमिली, दे शुड वर्क अंडर मी, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न टुडे वी आर एट 5,000 एम्प्लॉई एंड 2,500 डीलर, दे आर वर्किंग विथ अस. सो 2,500 डीलर आप जो है वो उसके वजह से हम लोग आज इस तरह पहुँचे हैं, और आपका अभी भी साथ मिलता रहेगा तो और भी हम आप ग्रो करेंगे, और ग्लोबली ऑल्सो हम नए प्रोडक्ट आपको देंगे.
So I would conclude as it's always people first, but with a human connection.